So I wanted to go over the unable to find file OHDOT-ESign.dscript error that people have been getting when printing. So I'm going to first go over how to fix it, and then second go over what caused it and kind of a little bit on the behind the scenes. But I know you guys want to know how to fix it first, right? So basically we changed some things in our workspace, and this file no longer exists. So it might already be set, and it's trying to find a file that doesn't exist. So to fix it, you can go to Properties. It says, oh, hey, I can't even find it. And your first option you could do is clear this out. Just delete it and hit OK, and then it will no longer give you the message, and it'll print. But it won't be including a design script at all, so it will not be creating those digital signature fields for you. So that's one way to do it. To fix the problem, now if you multi-select, it does look a little different. So here you would just check on clear the print script, the design script. Now the other option is to fix it to use the new location for design scripts. So to do that, you could very easily just select them all, go to Tools, and apply the print style, because we fixed them all to go to the new location. So if I just apply print style, I can then take a look, and you'll see that it fixed it, and you notice the new name is OHDOT workset.designscript. I'll be going over more details after I show you these fixes. And the other way, which takes a little bit longer, would be to you could select them all, go to Properties, and you could go and physically select the design script file, which should be saved within your work set, the 990, the plot driver folder. You can go and select it. So that's another way to fix it, but I think applying the print style is the easiest. So now that I went over some of the ways you can fix the problem, I want to go over kind of what caused the problem so you have a better understanding. So there is going to be another video that will go over how we're using design script files and how they're being created. So this one I'm just going to stick to the actual problem, what happened. So basically, when we set out to set up digital signatures, we realized that design script files could turn in a shape from the DGN into a digital signature field in the PDF. So we created a design script file, and we put it in our workspace location, and we defined the design script variable to say, hey, here's where to look for design script files. And then we updated our print styles with that name to set the name of the design script to that OHDOT-ESign design script file. So after we did that, we then realized that we really needed the design script file to be workset specific. So each workset would get its own design script file. So we removed the design script file from the workspace, and then we got rid of that variable that said where to look for the design scripts, and that is now going to be defined in the workset config file, since it is workset specific now. And then we changed that name, as you saw earlier, to the OHDOT workset.designscript. So when we made that change, so this is the name, you see the new name there. So when we made that change, if you had already created your preset file and added your files, when I had the original design script in the workspace, then all of these sheets are holding on to that old design script name that the file no longer exists, and now that's why you're starting to see that error message that I showed earlier of not being able to find that file. So again, that kind of shows you what happened. This video is really just to go over how to fix it and a little bit of what happened, but to really understand what the design script is doing, how it's being created, you should go check out the other video that I'm going to link to that's going to go over how all that is set up to give you, I guess, a full understanding of what's going on.